Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at the pure water system and the different parts that are included in the pure water system and what they do. So the pure water system, we use this for washing the outside of windows. The idea behind it is that when you wash with water, there's minerals in the water. And when the water evaporates off the glass, it leaves the minerals behind. And this is what causes the water spotting. So what the pure water system does is it removes all the minerals from the water. So that way when you use the water, it's 100% water or pure water. And so when it evaporates, it doesn't leave anything behind. So it's really simple. Once you've got this set up and working properly, all you do is just brush the window with the water and then it just evaporates and it comes up shiny and clean and streak free. So the different parts in the pure water system. So first off, you've got your carbon fiber pole. Now this pole is also used for the mega lamps. This particular one is a 5-stage pole. So this is a 7-meter pole. They come in a 7-meter and a 9-meter. The 9-meter is a 7-stage pole, so it's one more than this, okay? So that's the first thing. The next thing is you've got your brush and you've got your brush connections. So your brush is a water-fed brush. Your hose connects in here and it feeds out water through here and you use this to brush. And then this is your connection for connecting to the pole. So what happens is this clips in here, 2 little pins, you push it in, clips in there, and then this bit clips into the top of the pole like this and is adjustable. You just open the clamp, slide it in, close the clamp, and then you adjust this, okay? So that's your water-fed pole and brush. The next thing, one of the more important parts, is your resin filter. So this is your resin filter. It holds your resin in here. You've got a screw off top. You've got a pre-filter, so the water comes in through the pre-filter and then goes out through this tap here, okay? On the pre-filter, you've got a gauge, and you've obviously got a tap on this side as well, okay? So then the next thing is your short hose. And so what this hose does is this connects onto your tap and then connects onto your long hose. Now, if you don't have one of these hoses, that's all right. A standard hose will do. It's got standard tap connections and it's just basically joining the tap with the long hose. Your long hose is really important because you will leave this next to the pre-filter and then you will pull this out and work around the house, okay? So after that then, you've got your pole hose, okay? So this hose is really important. You feed this up through your carbon fiber pole. It's a small hose designed to connect to the connections in the water-fed brush. And then you just plug your hose into the bottom of it and it's got a tap for regulating the water. So that is your water pole hose, okay? And then most important out of everything is your TDS meter. So this is a TDS meter and that we use this for measuring the water. So every time you go to use the pure water system, you need to test the water coming out of it to make sure that there's no minerals in the water. Otherwise it doesn't work. So you use this for testing it and you switch it on. You fill the cap up with water. You just stick it into it and it will have a reading here. And that reading needs to be below 50. Anything over 50, you need to change the resin in the filter. Okay, so there are all the different parts. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. So you need all 7 parts to use the system. And if you don't have all 7 parts, you won't be able to work it. Okay? Okay.